Look. Good morning, team. Can you hear me, everyone? Online, Sudhanshu, Abdul, Avilash, all the students. Yeah. So in online sections, so does anybody has first class today? Okay, Uday. So I'll do one thing. I will share the recordings for last week, whatever happened, the demo. Yes, guys. And let me share the screen. And for offline, I think you note down the numbers. Last week, you got the number, isn't it? Everybody got the number, guys? Did you collect the recording, demo recording? No? Can you talk to them and get the recording? Yes? All right, thanks. One moment. Okay, I think I have. Offline admin. So here we go. Just one moment. 7977808. Yes. So this is the number you need to connect for offline recordings. Understand? Yes, guys. And for online, just one moment. For online, just stay with me. Yes. So this is the recording, day 5 recording. Yeah, Wasim, it's missing. I just connect them, so it's not ready yet. So you will receive today. Okay. Okay. For any technical support, for any issues, online team, you can let me post this one. Technical questions, you can reach out to me, guys. For non-technical, you can reach out to support team. All the details are given up here, so you just find out. Okay. These numbers. Offline, do not connect with this number. All right. The number which I provided here, this is for you guys. Clear? Okay. So let me briefing up what we done last week. So last week, we discussed demo. Yeah, demo sessions, it has happened. And we do see some of the projects like color detections projects in demo only. And we saw face and video mask detections, understand? And also we build chartboard analysis, all right? And what course syllabus we will discuss on these 4 months. And what else? What else, guys? Voice recognitions. No, it's not played, but it's playing my headphone. All right. Anything else? So I'll get present class recording for previous class. Sir, will I get present class recording? Yes, Yashwant. Maybe for online team, there is some fees criteria. Okay. And let me write down here 15K without recording, guys, and 20K with recording. And I'll tell you one thing, if you are non-technical means you never before into IT industry, you are mechanical, you are civil, I recommend you to go for recording. It's your choice, guys. I'm not push you anymore because that's your personal decisions. All right. So if you're non-technical, I would suggest to go for recording. If you're technical, then it's good enough. All right. You can just scope up with this. And also we understand what topics come under data science. We understand those things, right? And also we understood data science architecture last week and data science pipeline. Okay. Pipeline, and introduced to, the framework, which frameworks, we will use in DS, data science. Yeah, these topics we covered. All right. So this was last week's sessions. This was last week's sessions. Now, as it was demo, so this is what I covered, because let's start the real class from today. Let's start real class from today. And I was talk about introduce to Anaconda software. This what happened on last week. Clear? Done? Now, after, let me write down here this week. What is the date today, guys? 28th? 28th. All right. Okay. I will take, I don't know, Yashwant, please talk to the support team. Okay. Yes. I will take online and offline introductions after change the link, because I don't know who will enroll the course. So I don't want to take anybody introductions right now. Okay, guys, because if I don't know introductions, I cannot guide you how many projects will make, what's your experiences. Based on your experiences and based on one-on-one discussions, we will prepare your resume. Make sense? So this is what, everybody clear online? I hope my voice is clear and you can see the screen. Perfect. Any issues, just write down the questions and we will discuss at end of the day. I mean, after last minutes. Yeah, cool. Let's start Python programming today. Let's start Python programming language. Let's close it. All right. Let's start Python programming language. So here we go. Python introductions, guys. I will share a lot of the books, okay, and real-time books along with the, okay, task after change the link, not right now. So I hope everybody installed Anaconda software. I hope everybody installed Anaconda software, online and offline. If you not installed, just go and get the recording for Friday, okay? And clearly I mentioned how to install Anaconda, right? So now just wanted to know how many of know any programming language? Anybody, could you please quick chart? So how many of know any programming language in offline team? Which programming? Python. All right. So just introductions, complete core Python, only basic. What about you guys? Anybody? Okay. C, C++, Java, all those things you guys are learned. All right. But those are completely developing part. So data science is completely new course. For Java also, data scientist is a new. For .NET also, data science is a new, isn't it? Because the jobs are created from last 4 years only, not more than that. I will show you when the day is going on, I will show you some real-time practical informations. Clear? Okay, yes. So raise your hands, the one who doesn't know any programming language. Online team. Just get a quick discussions. Okay. If you don't know any programming language, then you are the best persons to learn Python and data science. Clear? If you don't know any programming language, then you are the best persons to learn Python and data science. Clear? Everyone, guys. So, but what I want from you is every day 3 hours time for my codes and the task. Will you do it, guys? Will you give your time for me? I mean, for the practical task on real-time basis. All right. Yeah. So now Python is very easy programming language. So what is Python? So Python is highly recommended programming language and object oriented programming language, guys. You know what is meant by object oriented? Now, when you stand in front of a mirror, all right, your face is appear, right? Isn't it? When other persons stand in front of a mirror, other person's faces appear. So that is an object. So in mirror, if you stand, your object is appear. When someone is stand, other person is appear. For example, A equals to 5. So definitely if I call A, 5 will listen. Agree or not agree? When I say B equals to 7, when I call B, B will listen. Understand or not? So A is the object, 5 is the value. Make sense what I'm saying? A is the object and B is the value. So this object is called identifier, variable, many things, guys. All right. Anyway, I'm going to show up and write down all those things, whatever the key points. You are not audible, is it? Online team, am I audible or not audible? Yashwant, Sunita, Sinduri, Sailesh, Yashwant, everyone, guys. Audible. Could you please check your mic, buddy? Okay, cool. Right. Good. So who invented this Python? So who created this Python? Somebody have to create this Python programming language, right? So he's the guy who created the Python. Yes, please get in. He is the person's create the Python. Okay, he is the father of Python programming language. His name is Guido van Rossum. Understand? His name is Guido van Rossum. So you might ask, why only Python? Why not any other name, right? See, because in the world, everybody have dedicated to interest on some things. Maybe someone likes maybe for tourism, traveling, or maybe someone for playing cricket, someone for watching televisions. Yeah. So this guy also, Python came from fun TV show called Complete Monty's Python Flying Circus. Understand, guys? So what exactly this one? So Python came from a TV show called Complete Monty Python's Flying Circus, isn't it? So the father of the Python is Guido van Rossum. So let me tell you, this is just a brief. I'm not talk about introductions much. Who created Python, which lab, what kind of chemical he implemented. We not talk about that one, guys. Let's get back to the practical. We are not learning Python developer. Let me tell you, we are a data scientist. Let me tell you guys what codes, the codes which we are studying is data scientist. Okay, you are eligible for job AI engineer, ML engineer. Understand or not? You are not studying Python developer. Python developer. What is meant by developer? Developer means develop a game or app for any kind of industries like hotel, like constructions, This is called developing. Okay. So what exactly mean by data scientist? The data scientists are data scientists acquire data from DB. DB means what? Database using query language, okay, and build the predictions if the data is structured. All right, if the data is structured. If it is unstructured data, you also predict. Okay, so all those things I'm going to tell you. So what exactly required in data science towards Python, those things I'm going to explain you neat and clean. Everybody's understand so far? All right. So now let me go back. Let me save this one. Okay. So in this case, Python procedure oriented programming language, functional programming language, and object oriented programming language, scripting language, modular programming language. For example, we no need to require what is procedure, what is functional, what is object, what is scripting, and all those things. But just understand, see, in the world, each and every item has some pros and cons. Yeah, some advantage and some disadvantages. For example, what I'm trying to say, C programming language supports functional, support functionals, but does not support object oriented programming language. Agree or not agree? Agree, guys? So the same way, C++ programming language support object oriented, but does not support functional. Clear or not? So what happened? What is Python? What Python will do, Python will take, Python will inherit, okay, or maybe take some concepts from C. So if I write down here, this is C programming, this is Java, this is .NET, this is C++. So this is Python. So what exactly Python? Python takes some concepts from C, some concepts from Java, some concepts from .NET, and do some concepts from C++. That's why we called Python is everything. Python is everything. Okay. So let me explain you right now. So Python borrowed all concepts from C, C++, Java, Unix. So Python is everything, isn't it? That's why Python very, very powerful tool. You know, guys, the one who learned individual codes, Python codes, yeah, they will teach this concepts like 1 month. Like basic part, it's talk about 1 month. That is, I wouldn't, but not required, guys, the basic part. This is not an interview questions. In interview, no one will ask you who is the father of Python, when exactly it is created, whether it's a object oriented programming language, and all those things. Yeah. So the practical is very, very important. So let's understand together. All right. So that's why the Python is very, very powerful tool, because it accepts all concepts from C, C++, Java, and Unix. Understand, guys? So Python developed in NRI, means Netherlands, and a lot of people say Python is new language. Python is new language, but actually not. Java released on 1995. Java released on when, guys? 1995. And Python released on 1989. Which is old programming language? Python. It is released on 1991. Understood? So Java is, Python is very old. Java later part come up, but nobody used Python till now. From last 5 years, none of them used, everybody used Python because of data science platform, because of machine learning, because of AI. Clear, guys? So let me show you some visualizations here. So if you talk about, if you just stay on a second. Yep. Plenty of company trying to migrate to Python, guys, because Python contains rich library. Python contains rich library. What are the rich library? I'm going to show you right now. Look at this 1980, 1990. Okay. From 1990, the data was less. You know why? To create 2000, to create this hard drive, data. I hope I showed you one day. On 1979, to create 250 MB hard drive, I mean, scientists are spent ten thousands of dollars on 1979. But 2014, okay, just 128 GB chip card. But nowadays, do you see any chip is there? Do you see any machine is there? No, right? It's cloud. Yeah. So because of internet, the cloud's jobs are created, data science jobs are created, data analytics jobs are created, because the data is increasing on day by day. Clear, guys? So that's what I'm trying to say. So Python is an old programming language, but Python is very rich libraries, guys. For example, Python contains, sorry, has some rich library. What are the rich libraries? You call NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib and Seaborn. What else? scikit-learn, right? And TensorFlow, OpenCV, Yellow, Theano, and Keras. Those are the NLTK, Spacey, SciPy, GenSim. All right. These are the library. When you understand all these packages, this is called data science platform, guys. Understand? Understood what exactly I'm saying? Clear online team? True, Chandrahash. Yes, guys, these are some rich libraries you're going to learn. And also deployment. What is meant by deployment? Once you build the model, machine learning model, you have to come in. Once you build the ML model, you need to deploy in production using Flask. Yeah. Also, Flask is also one of the package, and there is a connector. There is a connector we called SQL Cami. Yeah. These are the real time while you go for a job, and once you join the job, you need to implement the deployment is very important concepts, guys. Deployment is very important concepts. Understand everyone what I'm saying? Yeah. So this Python contains, so when you learn Python codes, they will teach you NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. That's it. Clear? They won't teach you scikit-learn, TensorFlow, OpenCV, Yellow, Theano, Keras, NLTK, Spacey, SciPy, GenSim, and Flask. Clear or not, everyone? So this is what the main, these are the rich libraries. Do you have a first session today? You heard demo? Good. All right. Anybody demo? I think I already shared you the number. You can connect with them. Yeah. 799-799-7808. Yeah. Are you guys a C, or else you can go back, or else? Okay. Clear, everyone? So far, everybody's clear or not? Please get in. That's not core. Python pandas, this not comes for Python. When you talk about like encapsulations, okay, and these things is required for the Lambda functions, all those things, right? So you are a developer, Python developer, you're developer. Okay, you develop a game, but data scientist, they are data where the data is saved in database, right? You extract the data in the database and try to find some patterns. Pattern in the sense, this week the summer is 50-degree, but next week you will predict what could be the temperature. You cannot develop these things. You have to predict these things. Understand? Develop and predictions. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. So my admin is mentioned. Today is the last demo from, yeah, today is the last demo sessions, guys. From tomorrow, the link will change, it seems. Okay. And tomorrow paid, new, those who paid, they will receive the new link today. Those who not paid, pay the fees as soon as possible to get the new link. Understand? Okay. So can you please collect the bank details and fees detail, all those things online, students? Okay. Thank you, Om. I think the last day is missing. Could you please provide them as well? Yeah, maybe after the class. All right. Thank you. Okay. See, guys, I have a lot of resumes as well, because when I take interview to some students, they are to learn data scientist, people are flying UK, US. They are spending 40 lakhs rupees. Do you know, guys? But still they're studying and they're learning from here. I hope you understand what I'm saying. They're spending 40 lakhs and flying, they are learning, but they don't teach the bookish. The bookish knowledge is completely different than practical knowledge. I hope you understand. Agree? So all the topics, whatever I'm explaining today, this is all relates to the data science. This is all relates to the core data science field. All right. Yeah. Now let's get back to the topic. So now Python is popular based on software industry requirement because everybody wants to write very less code and concile code. What is meant by that? Client, same client worked 10 years back, same client want to see Java code, right? Let's say 1,000 lines of code, but same client does not want to see 1,000 lines of code. 10 years back, we loved to watch 50 overs cricket match, but now there's a no patience. Everybody wants to watch 2020 IPL matches, right? Even the prize money quite way bigger than 50 over matches. Everybody understand or not what I'm saying? So the client mindset also changing on day basis. So all the client means what? Whoever giving the projects to you, they wanted to write short code, short code. So for short coding, Python packages we have. Yeah. Python packages we have, guys. So that's why I'm mentioning in real time in company also, the clients wanted to write the short code, guys. All right. Current market trend is machine learning, AI, and data science, IoT. Now, let me write down here. Let me write down here. Java, C, C++, Oracle, SQL, SAP, all right, mechanical engineer, ML, chemical engineer, ME, CE. You heard these jobs since decade, right? Since decade means from last 30 years. I do remember when I was small kid, I heard about these jobs. Of course, you guys all too, right? So now data, ML, AI, NLP, all these guys wanted to migrate to here. For data, for them also data science is a new technology. For you also data science is a new technology. I hope you understand what I'm saying. For them also the data science is new technology. For you also new technology. So data, ML, AI, NLP would be the next future. It will stay for next decade, means for next 25 years, guys. So you decide which one you choose. You decide which one you'll choose. All right, guys, everybody's clear. So all these codes we are going to learn, use in Python, R, and Spark, and Tableau, and Hadoop. Clear or not? Everybody's clear, guys, what I'm saying? Okay. So every day I do create this type of notes for you. I will share with you so that when I'll speak, sometimes you cannot understand the terms. You know the English, but the terms, when I say scikit-learn, you might be right different thing. When you prepare resume, you know what happened, guys? Last one batch student, scikit-learn, SIKITLEARN, he update resume like this, and he got one interview. Actually, the proper spelling is sklearn. Understand? So what happened? Do you think he will select the interview? He is expert at coding. He is expert at coding. He's expert at coding. I asked him, why, man? You should have been get this offer. Send the resume. When I said, he mentioned random forest, he write down random forest, right? So do you think an interview calls you will get like this? Definitely you never get. Even though you call, the first questions, can you please explain random forest algorithm? He explained. He explained. But see, a man perfect at one domain, imperfect at other domains, right? So when I write this kind of packages, you're going to be perfect. So we all both are in same page. Clear or not? What exactly I'm saying? So that's why you don't need to write down. I will share with you guys. I will share with you every day. All right. Whatever the discussions. Understand, guys? Now let me delete this one. Yeah. Let's go back to the next part. Current market trend is, I hope you understand, everybody, let me tell you guys, the one who had in the company, let's talk about me only. I had 13 years industry experience. Right now, I'm a country lead. Okay, country lead. I'm take care of Asia division, guys. Okay, so what happened for me? I worked almost 9 years. I mean, almost like 7 years in all the data sectors like data warehouse, data mining, and all those things. But from last 7 years, I'm working as a data scientist because 13 years back, 13 years back, there is no data science jobs. Understand or not? There is no machine learning jobs. There is no AI jobs. So my dear friends, I just wanted to ask you one question. The one who take interview, he must have, he must have 15 years experience or not? Out of 15 years, catch him how much he had solid experience in data science. How do you know him? How do you know? By LinkedIn. You get a job invitations, right? In the job invitations, you do receive the Gmails, copy it and find out you get a Gmail. You got to know. You can speak anything in front of him, guys. Understand or not? He also knew, you also knew. If in the Java guy, he's come to data science, C++ guy, come to data science, Oracle guy coming to the data science. Agree or not agree? Everybody's clear or not? Online students? Yes, guys. So why I'm talking about this one, guys, lot of false information spreading. See, in the YouTube, anybody can be a Tom, Dick, Harry. Tomorrow you stand and speak, you get good views, isn't it? You take any topic, you can speak, you get a good views, isn't it, guys? Cool. Now, yes, Chandrahash, any questions for you? Are you clear or any questions? Okay, good. So let's discuss later part of the sessions. Now let's talk about this one. I mean, which companies are used in Python? I won't tell you. Same questions you copy and ask to Google God. For me, Google is God, guys. Entire software industry runs in Google. Chandrahas, I will answer you after the sessions, not right now. Okay. Just sorry about that. All right, buddy. Yeah. So Google is God. You know why? 90% software engineers, they take code from Google and paste it over there. This is the secrets. Anybody's working professional here in Python software IT background? Okay. Yeah. So that's the true things. So here, Python code can understand everybody, and Python is dynamic programming language. Why we call dynamic programming language? Because, so I'll tell you, Python is dynamic programming language. Why, guys? Because in C, C++, Java, you have to define integer a equal to 5. Are you understand? You have to define, but in Python, a equal to 5. In Python, a equal to 5, right? So in, if you used if else, you have to space 1, 2, 3 to keep indentations, but now in Python does not require any indentations. The cell will identify. For example, let's talk about this one. So if I say a, let's look at this one. A equal to 5.8, right? A equal to 5.8, right, guys? When I execute a, 5.8 is popped up, isn't it? But when I wanted to ask what is the type of a, just it is a float data type, right? It is a, now anybody tell me what is meant by object here? A equal to 5.8. What is the object? Very good. 5.8 is value. Which type of value? Float. Very good. Understand? Now let's talk about, we'll see a lot of practice today, guys. In Python, everything done by PVM. What is meant by PVM? Python virtual machines. Yeah. So once you installed Anaconda applications, the interpreter will understand and it will, this is called Python virtual machines, guys. Everything is works. Python virtual machines will understand what exactly a user is input. Yeah. You can access Python in any platform independent. What is meant by platform independent? Let's say I have Windows operating systems, someone have Linux, someone have Macintosh. Yeah. Same code, same code. Very good, Vashim. Same code you can execute in any Windows platform or Mac platform or Linux platform. So that's we called as it's a platform independent. Agree? Clear? Now, where we stay. Yeah, this one. No need to write any separate program for any platform. Yes, no need to write any separate code for platform. Okay. Now Python is dynamic because not required to declare any data types. Not required to declare any. Did I declare any data type here? Float a equal to 5.8. Not required. Agree? Yes, guys. Now, Python contains rich libraries, as I mentioned, NumPy, Pandas, and I'm not mentioned a lot of things here. I already mentioned over here. Okay, guys. Yeah, all those things. Many more things is there, guys. I will tell you talk about later part. Which scenario Python cannot be used? Every in the world, everything has a pros and cons, isn't it? So where we not used? Exactly. That's right, Yashwant. So Python cannot platform in mobile applications like Android. Yeah, Android, you cannot use this Python. So flavors of Python. For C programming, we called C Python, which already built C Python. Okay, we no need to understand what is meant by C Python. Just understand this concept. That's good enough. For Java programming, they build JPython. For C#, .NET, we build Iron Python. For Ruby-based applications, Ruby Python. For big data and data science, what we have? Very good. So what software we download? Makes sense now? So you might ask questions, why only Anaconda? Why not others? Right? So you talk about, we do have others, but others use for other platform. Yeah. But for big data and data science, machine learning, AI, IoT, for this one, we called big data and data science platform. Right, guys? So what is the future? What is the future? So at this moment, let's talk about this one. So the future techniques are IoT, Internet of Things, reinforcement learning, robotics, and Q learning. And then the next one, future generation would be integrate your electronic gadgets and device to AI. So now robots, drones. What is meant by drones? The machine electronics or not? And the heart is AI. Drone is made up of IoT plus AI. Make sense, guys? Are you clear or not? This is advanced. To know the advance, you have to know both parts. So that's why if a company is hiring for robo creations, he will hire both AI guy plus electronics guy, IoT guy. You know, guys, see, I'll tell you one thing, guys. In company, I'll tell you, a lot of people have different concepts. If I learn statistics, SQL, Hadoop, Spark, then only I'm a data scientist. It's not like that, guys. All right, it's not like that. So company had a lot of opportunities. Java developer. So Java developer mean what he will work? Only Java part he will work. Agree or not? But in school days, he have to study all the codes. Correct or not? In school days, he have to study all the codes. In .NET developer, he have to work on only .NET because Java manager he have 10 employee. .NET manager, he have 10 employee. There is no connections between Java and .NET. Understand? So my dear friends, I just wanted to say data science also contains of ML, AI, NLP. So it's not that you have to learn everything then apply a job. That's what I'm saying. I will complete Python. Stats means what? Statistics. Okay. And don't talk about that. Senapati didn't say this. All right. Stats and then ML. And prepare only ML resume. Apply. Make sense what I'm saying? Make sense, guys? After that, you learn NLP, deep learning, R programming, rest of things you can learn. So the back end is you learn something, apply, and keep giving interview. And keep giving interview. This is the practical way of work. If you follow this way, then definitely you will learn, guys. You will achieve your destinations. Everybody's clear or not what exactly I'm trying to speak here, guys? Everybody's clear or not clear? Yeah. Now let's get back to the topic now. IoT, Internet of Things, Bitin Dash, Internet of Things. All right. Okay. So Python 1.0 was introduced on Jan 1994. No organization was working at the time. Make sense? 2.0 was introduced on 2000. No organization was working now at the time. So 3.0 introduced on December 2008. And then they've been started working from 2016 and 2017 and 2018 and goes on. Agree? The latest version is 3.9 or 3.10, it seems. 3.10. Anybody got 3.10? Yeah, good. So how to check the system versions? Import system.versions. Very simple. System import is very important concepts. You need to learn this, guys. All right. Just one moment. I think I missed someone. Something is here. Okay. So just check import system.versions. Do not by heart any code. All right. Do not by heart any code. Just import system. My system version is 3.7.6. It was released on January 2020. And this is 64-bit operating systems, right? So when I say A equal to 7.9, when I say A is equal to 7.9, what is the output I'll get now? What is the output I'll get now, guys? Online student? Online students. 7.9. Sunita said 7.9. How many of them will say 7.9? Okay, did you see if your name is Sunita, if someone called you any other names, will you listen? No, right? So I declared A equal to 7.9 and I call capital A. So definitely I'll get error, isn't it? Definitely, because the name A is not defined. So I have to call the value with the name. Okay, whatever we declared, isn't it? Agree or not? Okay. So today, introduction is done, guys. There is no more introductions. We don't want to know who is father of father, not required. Okay, so we just need to know why we use. Is Python case sensitive? Yes, buddy, it is case sensitive. Let's come back to the topic now. Today I'm going to talk about Python identifier. Yeah, what exactly I'll talk about? The first concepts of Python I'm going to start is Python identifier. Yeah, what is mean by identifier? Everything's today. I will clear all of your doubts. If you never practice any coding background, no need to worry, guys. All right, I will explain in detail with lot of tasks. It could be very exciting sessions. 1 second. Okay, let's start. I'll ask one simple question to everyone. When a new baby birth in the world, So how do we recognize a baby? By someone give a name to the baby, isn't it? Does any parents want to keep the kid's name as dog or cat? Now, anybody you see this, guys? Anybody you saw the child name as dog or cat or Rajnikant? Yeah, maybe some of the you see the Rajnikant, but no one will put as dog and cat. Agree? So there is some rules to define identifier. There are some rules to define identifier. I will tell you one things, my dear students. Just let me show you. Different people called as different name. We called identifier equals object equals variable. All three are same. All right. Some persons called Rohit, some persons called Rohit Sharma, someone called Sharma, right? But he belongs to one player. The same way, identifier in interview, someone called as identifier, sometimes we'll call as object, someone will call as variable, but all three are equal. Are you understand, everyone? Yeah. So now, what are the rules to define identifier we're going to understand? For example, in the child's naming ceremony, we have some rules to name child, right? For example, God's name, some for grandfather's name, maybe 2 letters of father, 2 letters of mother. Yeah, all those things. I mean, parents are do some R&D for keep the child's name, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So here, if I talk about, I already told, if I say x equals to 10, so here x is the, here X is the identifier or object or variable. Clear or not? Clear or not? And 10 is called value. 10 is called value. Makes sense what I'm saying? Clear? Now, there are some rules. There are some rules to define Python identifier, right, guys? What are the rules? Let's understand. What are the rules? Let's understand. Yeah, as I mentioned, right, we cannot keep kid name as dog or cat. The same way, there are some rules we understand. What are the rules? Let's see this. Alphabet, okay, uppercase and lowercase, digits 0 to 9 should not start with digit and underscore. Okay, now let's see example. So all the three is very important. Before I'm going to show, let's talk about, see this, guys, and address, let's understand cache. Let's see, when I say hash, the line is inactive. Let me write down, when this means inactive, inactive, the line, or technically we called as, this is not comments, this is inactive the line. Yeah, to inactive the comments or line or comments, anything you guys can say this. All right, so now here we go. So let's understand this one. Cache equals to 10. What is identifier here? Cache is identifier. Yes, online team, are you listening to me? Or are you sleeping? Yes, guys. Good, good. Yeah. No, I will address your questions, guys. No need to worry. So cache equals to 10, right? Now, can anyone tell me? Okay. Now, when I mentioned cache is identifier, yeah, true. So let's, instead of S, I mentioned as $S, dollar sign. This is also as cache equals to 10. What is the output now? What is the output now, guys? Error. Everybody, let's wait for somebody's answer. Chandrahas said 10. Okay, let's see Chandrahas. Anybody's, guys? Let's execute. We'll get error. We will get error. You know, guys? So symbol is not allowed in Python identifier. What is the first rule? The first rule is, I mentioned first point, symbol is not allowed in Python identifier, but Java it is allowed. Make sense, guys? So what exactly happened here? while we learning this, first understand why we're learning this, because in machine learning model building, we do define in ML model, we define independent variable and dependent variable. Yeah, all those things I'll talk about later. So this is the basic concepts you need to understand, guys. Clear? So in symbol is not allowed in Python identifier, but in Java it is allowed. Now let's get this. Cash equals to 20 and cash. What is the output? Cash equals to 20 and cash equals to error, or will get output? Definitely I'll get an error, isn't it? Name cache is not defined. So what about this one? Can I get output now? Can I get output now? Now let's run this one. Good, good. So here, let's talk about, this is case sensitive. Case sensitive means, I hope you understand. Yeah, no need to explanations again. Now the second rule, identifiers should not start with digit. What is the second one? Identifiers should not start with digit. What happens if I start with digit? Let's see, 1, 2, 3 total equals to 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3 total equals to 30. When you say 1, 2, 3 total, what is the output? Error. Let's see this. Did you see invalid syntax? So what happened? Clear or not clear, guys? Everyone? Yes. Now let's understand this one. What happened? This one. Sum 123 equals to 20. So I define the digit after the identifier. Sum 123 equals to 20. Can I get output or error? We'll get output. Yep. Now let's see this. This is an 20. Correct. Identifier case sensitive. What is meant by case sensitive? Let's catch this. Let's catch this. Total equals to 20. All right. Okay, forget about this one. Let's this line, guys. Small total equals to 10. What is the output? Everybody understand? Because I assigned, what is identifier? The identifier is small letter total, and I assigned a value as 10. But when I call the value with capital total, definitely they don't listen, isn't it? Yes or not? So that's why we got this error, guys. Yeah. New equals to 30 and capital new. Error or output? Understand? Are you understand, buddy? Are you understand? Yeah, good. Total equals to 20. Output or error? Output. Okay. Online team, output. Non-technical team. All right. So what about this one? 15th line. Define equals to 4.6. Output or error? Okay, the one who learned Python, they understand. The one who don't know, just give me the answer. Output or error? Okay, so let me tell you guys, run. This is an error because define is a keyword. Define is a keyword, right? So now the third statement, the third rule, keyword cannot be identifier. Sir, I am a technical, non-technical background. How to find out? How to find out what are the keywords in Python? Just go to Google God and mention keyword in Python. Understand? Keyword in Python. Did you see? True, false, none, and or not, in, is, if, elif, else, for, while, break, continue, else, def, define, class, with, as, pass, lambda, return, yield, import from, as. Understand? So from these keywords, whatever you defined, definitely you get error. Did you see what we defined? DEF. Did you find any DEF over here? DEF, isn't it? So keywords cannot be an identifier. Everybody's understand? Very good, Wasim. 35 keywords are there. Yeah. Okay. Now let's talk about this one. So what happens if I say capital DEF equals to 5.6? Define is a keyword. Output or error? Define is a keyword, right? But it is a case sensitive. It is a case sensitive. Clear? Now, when I mentioned capital DEF, output or error, guys? Let's check this output. Cool. I hope you understand, everyone. Now, small if, output or error? Let's check if is there. Yes, IF. Yeah. So now let's execute. You get error because if is a keyword. Understand, guys? Clear? So before I go ahead, I wanted to talk about, I didn't explain the software properly. Yeah. Let's talk about, if you see this platform, there is a file. Yeah. So once you, let me tell you, just go back and start options, click on Anaconda. In Anaconda, you do not find these many options the way I'm getting. You find only Jupyter Notebook 1 and Spider Notebook and three options you will get, and four, sorry, Anaconda Navigator. So the moment, what you need to do, guys, just let me minimize again. Go to the start options, click on Anaconda 3. We need to install TensorFlow later part. Yeah, this is Anaconda Navigator, one options. Anaconda prompt, second one, where is the command prompt? Tomorrow I talk about what is the difference between Anaconda prompt or C drive prompt, how to install the packages, and Jupyter Notebook and Spider, 1, 2, 3, 4. The moment when you guys are download Anaconda, 4 tabs you will get over your laptop. Clear? Clear, guys? The moment when you click over here, automatically, this is kernel, this is heart. If you kill your heart, what happened? You will die. Same way, if you kill the kernel, you cannot, the open front end will not open, the applications will not open, guys. Understand? The applications will not open. Now, lot of them face some error. Error said, sir, I'm not able to open in Chrome. This is my Chrome browser. If you guys are not open in the Chrome browser, let me tell you, if you are not able to open the Chrome browser, just go back and check on Internet Explorer. Everybody's clear? If you are unable to open the kernel on your Chrome browser, then go back and check in Internet Explorer. Still no, sir, I'm not satisfied with Internet Explorer. No need to worry. If you're not satisfied, just go to the setting. Just go to the setting, right click, just open the app setting, right? You click in the app settings and you see, go to the app. Once you go to the app, did you see the default apps? Click on the defaults apps and then you click on options here, Google Chrome. By default, it will click on Google Chrome, isn't it, guys? If you need to select Google Chrome and reset, done. Got it what I'm saying, guys? Are you getting it or not? This is the way you fix your issue. No need to worry, you can do it. So do you want me to write down or not required, guys? I don't think so it's required. Yes. So go to setting and then you need to select on app and then go to defaults app and then click your browser to Chrome browser and then reset, done. And check it again. How do you check? Go the start button, click on Anaconda folder and then click on Jupyter, Jupyter. Make sense? Rules, I will tell you, I will not complete today. I will complete tomorrow. Then I will write everything. Okay. Chandrahash, I not even if miss single point. I understand, guys. I trained great learnings. I'm training to triple IT upgrade. Okay. A lot of big guys, even the international students. So I know I will do not mention anything else. No need to worry. Okay. The next topic, sir, I'll tell you one thing, guys. Over here in the software, let me close this one. Did you see? I hope, let me explain you this part a little bit on software part, how exactly to use. Even though same software you will use in real time. Okay, same software you use in real time as well. In company also, you will use in same software. Yes, Rohan, underscore symbol allowed, true. I'll get back to you just 1 second. Before I go ahead, I will talk about a little bit software, then we understand. We'll play cricket before we understand how the ground is, isn't it? Yeah, just wait. So in file, you have these options, new notebook. When you click on new notebook Python 3, you get a new notebook. Open, I will tell you when open the file. Upcoming days, I will share this file to you. I mean, the entire file to you for practice. All right. And I will give you some real-time books. Real-time books. Understand, guys? I'll share this. You need to practice, and this would be your task one. This would be your task one, guys. Okay. And in this one, when you practice, what happened, guys? If someone select code to see code to markdown headings is there, right? Let's say what exactly happened. I saw many students, what they done, they click this one at coding part, right? Now I'm select to markdown. Even though your total equals to 10 total, you get output. Did you see, sir, I got output. Then I said, why you got output? No, sir. Then I said, look at this. Your change, this one has been changed to markdown. So could you please come back to the code? So in the coding options, you can execute any codes. This is the coding screen, guys. Understand? This should be the coding screen. Do not jump to the heading. When you go for a heading, this would likes your headings, identified as a case sensitive, right? You cannot run the code. In company, when you give a first round of interview, they want you to prepare this type of notebook for their task and send it to them. So I'm not going to use any kind of PPT here. Every time I'll use, this is the way we're going to learn and we're going to understand. So I hope you understand. Markdown, raw, heading, all these things are used for to design your documentations, to design. I mean, you wanted to comment, to need to understand. For that one, we're going to use this one. Clear? Now insert. If you click, see my cursor is over here. My cursor is over here. Insert. In insert, you insert cell above, insert cell below. You know this one. When I click cell above, the cell is insert. When we insert cell below, two parts. I don't want this cell, just cross it, delete this one. Clear? Did you see these options? And to add new cells, just click on a plus. To save this notebook, did you see the save options here? You can do it, isn't it? And if you want to change this cell to up, just click up, it's moved up, and just move down, it's moved down, isn't it? I hope you understand. Now run. Run means when you want to execute the code, just run this one. The shortcut is shift enter. What is the shortcut? Shift enter. Okay, kernel. What is kernel? Restart the kernel. I will tell you when the times comes, or restart and clear all outputs. Whatever the outputs I just popped up now, kernel, restart and clear all outputs. And if I want to run all the codes at once, restart and run all. Clear? If I wanted to run all the code at once, just restart and run all, isn't it? Shut it down, you just shut it down, isn't it? And help, go to help. And did you see the keyboard shortcuts? Click this one. You get all the details. F means find and replace. Control Shift E, Control Shift P, enter all the details over here. Clear or not? This is what software explanations. Very easy software. In international schools, CBSE schools, nowadays kids are learning all these things. Yeah, I hope you understand, guys. So this is what we understand today. We did not complete Python identifier. Once you guys are enrolled to this course, I will take everybody's introductions because I wanted to know about you. Yeah, who you are. So you cannot claps with one hand, guys. If I speak, if you listen, you cannot crack a job. When we speak, when we understand each other, so definitely things should happen perfectly. Clear what I'm saying? Okay. So in Python identifier, we just done the two rules right now. What are the rules? Should not start with digits. Identifier should not start with digits, and introduced to Python. All right, about the software applications. So what we learn right now. So today we installed and introductions, Python introductions. And what else, guys? What else we learned today? And about Jupyter software, right? And how to setting Jupyter to Chrome, correct? What else? And introduce to identifier and introduce to identifier. In identifier, just two rules we saw, two rules. Those rules are like keywords cannot be, can't be identifier. And what is the second rule we saw? Case sensitive, case sensitive. All right. And what else? And identify should not start with digit, right? Should not start with digit. So tomorrow we're going to understand all the concepts, everything's like this one, machine learning, statistics, everything's I'll explain like this, guys. If you come and listen and go, don't come, don't join, don't spend your money. If you come, sit and practice and do home task, then come and join. I will help you. Very simple, guys. Okay, that's all for today's sessions. Online students, just wait. Offline students, okay, yeah, any questions, team? Okay, so last 1 day recordings we will provide, no need to worry. Yeah, okay. Just online students, if you have any questions, just wait. Okay, and then I will discuss with you. Just give a second, give me 5 minutes or maybe a few more minutes here. Let me lower your hands, let me lower your hands, let me lower your hands, lower your hands, lower your hands, lower your hands, lower your hands. Now let's start. Wait. Yeah, any questions, guys, so far? Yeah, good. That's it for today. You can leave for the day. Thank you. How to do with lower configuration? Just wait. Just 1 second. Okay. All right. Very good question. Someone asked you, sir, what happened? I don't have laptop, 4 GB laptop. I don't have laptop, 8 GB. How to do deals with it? Just go to Google. Okay. And then there is a collab GPU. This is my CPU systems, right? Then Google collab. Okay, buddy, I'll share with you tomorrow. Let me, a lot of them ask. Yep. So we'll discuss tomorrow. So for tomorrow, difference between CPU versus GPU, need to answer. Clear? Yeah. Sorry. Thanks. Bye. Yeah. I will share. I will share. Not right now. Every day, whatever things I'll share weekly on 3 days in a week. Yeah. I'll share. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah.
I accept. So no worries. I will take care of it. Okay? I will make which one? I will share you. I will share. Offline team will once you enroll the course, offline team will create a cloud, and then I will share with you. You can get it from there. So just for Friday recording, I need that. You had asked about. Sir, will you be teaching like OpenCV and computer vision? I'll explain. But it will take some time. It will take last of it because these are advanced. Yeah. So you cannot understand. I know. Just want to know. Yeah, I'm sure. No need to. Thanks. So from when do we have labs? Labs. I don't know. Go and talk. Yeah. Very soon. Very soon. Anybody have any questions, guys? Let me come back. Prediction skills required? Yes, required. I will teach you, Yashwan. That is what I'm here. So you know fear. Yes. Okay, guys. Oops. Yeah. Now let me address your query. Please go ahead. Now, Nandesh, no need to worry. Nandesh, I think you are brother of Harshita, it seems. Am I correct, Nandesh? If I'm not wrong. I think who is my one student? Okay, definitely, Nandesh, you understand my teaching methods. I will explain the projects, all those things. You only do this. You will say, sir, I don't need your explanations. I will take care of it. Yes, Nandesh? I hope you understand. Yeah. Is the above number is admin? Where? Where did you see Silesh? Where did you see? This one for offline batch. This one for offline batch. On payment process, you need to talk to the support team online. I think I sent you. Did you see? You didn't you record all the file? Don't you record all those things, buddy? Just one moment. Let me share one moment here. Yeah, this one. Copy. Everyone. Done. Right? Yeah. So you can connect. Yes, guys. Anybody wants to speak with me? Please speak. Yes, Chandrahash, please go ahead. I'll unmute you.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, buddy?
Sorry, good morning.
Good morning. Tell me.
Sir, as you said, we can see the experience of our interview. How can we see, sir? Means we don't have scope to ask, no, sir. How much is the experience?
Interview. I don't understand. Can you please more specific to a question?
As you said, we can see the experience of the interview.
Yeah. See, 3-year experience based on your understanding, you come to know. You go for it. What's your total experience?
Mine, sir.
9.
No, mine.
Yeah, yours.
Actually, I don't have any experience, sir. I have done internship.
And why you talk about that?
And I'm
and why you talk? If you ask your questions, right?
Yes, sir.
If your friend is there, then talk about him. That's it. Don't think, no, sir, my friend said that. Your friend said that. If that is the problem in India, right, Chandrahash?
What friend, sir?
No, I'm just giving you an example. All right. If you have any friends who wanted to know this answer, I will help you. You are applying the internship, right? Correct or not?
I had done internship, sir, in my college.
So, yeah, after complete this course, you apply for a job. There is no more internship. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Internship, you won't get payment. You have to make pay to get internship. I will give you a lot of internship kind of projects over here. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Good.
As I said, we can question interviewer. We cannot. No, sir. It's not fair.
You no need to worry, man. Just first listen to me, and will you practice or not? Tell me that thing. If you practice, then join, or else don't join.
Sure, sir. I'm practicing already.
Then I will help you. I'll tell you, right? I'll give my number that you save number for lifetime.
Okay,
And
sir.
connect with me. Sir, I have questions. Can you help me?
Okay,
Definitely,
sir.
I'll help you.
Can
Clear.
you
What
give,
else you want?
Can you give your number, please?
After enroll the course, I will tell you later part. All right.
Oh,
Just wait for 1 week, 2 weeks. I'll tell you.
okay,
Clear?
sir. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye.
Clear.
Yes, Poonam, what happened?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. 1 second, Poonam. Richpal, I want today is my first day, so demo for me. I like your way of teach. Yeah, so just see, Richpal, lot of non-technical come here, they sit here, they practice, and they change. That's what I want. End of the day, they will say, sir, thank you so much. What I get, guys, if I help you, God will help my kid. Very simple. Okay, so no need to worry. You just, I'm 7-year experience. Okay, 7-year experience in different domain. You want to transit to get a good pay, right? So we'll make 2-year experience in data science and go and explain. No need to change. I need to part of 7M batch. 7M batch is running very fast. Just now we started. I think we crossed statistics. So not just check with the support team. Yeah, please. Will be boom in the market. How many years data? Will be boom next 25 years. When the internet will stop, Yashwant. When the internet will stop, then the data science jobs will own boom. Okay, clear. Vilash, I will help you. I will help you. Unable to open the program. Which program? You cannot open. You have to type and write down. Okay. Data science with AI is better. Just both are same. Sai Priya, data science. Kodi Prakash is my name. You're asking the questions Kodi Prakash or Kodi Prakash Senapati. Data science, AI is part of the data science. I will teach you both. Okay, Sai Priya. So your name is Sai Priya. Someone call you Sai, someone call you Priya, someone call Sai Priya. So you're asking the questions data science with AI means Sai Priya. Data science means Sai. Very simple. Clear?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Ahmad, all non-technical
Only.
questions, please ask to support team. Yes, Chandrahash, you can lower your hands. Poonam, I unmute you.
Sir, I
Yasashri.
can question, sir.
Yeah, who's this?
Poonam,
Who's
sir.
what? Poonam, please go ahead, buddy.
Sir, I cannot any coding experience and knowledge, sir.
Today you understand the coding or not? I teach you today. Are you understand or not?
Yeah, sir.
Sir, is Excel knowledge required? Little bit required. I'll teach you advanced how to do a VLOOKUP. I will teach you that one as well. Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes. Yes. Put 1 second. Poonam, are you clear or not?
Sir,
Poonam,
I
are
can Hindi, sir. Speaking in Hindi.
In interview, will you speak in Hindi? No, right, Poonam? Try to
No,
change yourself. Understand?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can speak in Hindi. You can speak with me English. Then only your English will be improved. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir. Clear. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's your questions? Your question. Now you ask me in Hindi, please.
Sir,
Quick.
sir, is coding not knowledge, sir.
Forget about coding, my dear friend. First, today I explain you coding. Are you understand or not?
Yeah, sir. I
See,
will support, sir.
just work
You.
hard. I will assign some student in your friend. You both work together. Then only you will understand, right, Poonam?
Yeah, sir.
While
Sir,
the
you
batch.
are today PPT document. Sir,
I will
send
share.
you.
I will share. Not today. Once you enroll the codes, I will share every day's PPT class, all those things. Understand or not understand?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Uday.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
So
morning.
I just wanted to know one thing, like how long will this course take to complete? Like how many months
It
will it
will
take?
course take 3 months to 4 months, Uday, but
Okay, sir.
I will give resume in 2.5 months. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Okay. So in 2.5 months, we will be almost ready
I will
for
give resume, you go for a job. You
Okay.
keep giving interview and you
Okay.
understand where you stand, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Uday. Yes, Yasashri. Yes, Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So will the time will remain the same for the whole batch, means like it's
Of course, the time will be same.
okay. because
Yeah.
like my college start like in April, no, so I won't be able to attend the 10 a.m. class.
Go to college 1 hour late. That is a college only, right?
Yes.
Then, yeah, only for 2 months, only for 3 months. What happened? You learning college to get a job. College, they will give book knowledge. Are you interested in book knowledge? If you're
No,
interested in book, just go and join. If you
no.
sit here, you will understand all those things.
Actually, when I asked, they said me that from April, May will be starting with a morning batch of 8:30 a.m. So that's what I was confirming with you
Yeah,
that.
I will. I might start. Yes, April 8:30. I'll start. No need to
Okay.
worry. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Richpal, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I do understand due to my office time. Okay, maybe April month. I don't. I have to check it out. But please, Richpal, connect to the support team, and they will address you. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Who's this? Shiva.
Shiva.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
my brother has completed his BSc nursing in
You
2012.
okay? 1 second. Are you complete the course for yourself or your brother?
My brother.
Okay, for your brother, you listening.
No, sir. I am listening the class. I am joining today, but
Okay.
my brother also want to join.
Okay, please go ahead. What's your brother's question?
He has completed BSc nursing in 2012, sir.
Hmm.
He has done a nursing job from last 2 years.
Hmm.
If he learn data science, is he help get a job?
Data science, BSc nursing. You don't tell them BSc, but what in AI data analyst jobs he can apply.
He can
Right?
apply
He can
data
apply
analyst
data
job.
analyst because nursing also, that is a hospitality, right? The data
Yes.
is there, customers records, patients records is there, right or wrong?
Uh,
He have to talk about in nursing, in hospital, he is working for a data analyst sections. He can manage like that. Yes, Shiva?
yes.
Understand or not
He
what I'm
has,
saying?
he has completed degree and done 4 years
Yeah.
nursing
So
separate.
for few things, I have to speak one-on-one, Shiva. After
Okay.
you guys enroll the course, I will speak with one-on-one basis. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Yes, Arshad. Yeah. How are you? Arshad, unmute you. How are you, buddy? Yes, Jade. Yes, Richpal.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi. Actually, I want to understand now. This is obviously a full stack data science course, right?
True.
And now,
True.
say for example, we are building a chat box.
Mhm.
Okay, chatbot. Do we need to have a web development knowledge as well? Like, are you
Not
like?
required. Chartbot, to develop a chatbot, many applications already built, like
Okay.
Google Dialogflow, Rasa framework, Microsoft Louise, and
Mm-hmm.
the already application is there. But in those applications, that
Yeah.
not fully fledged. There are
Okay.
some disadvantages there. But when you learn RNN and NLP, then you can build your chatbot by your own self. Yes, Jade? Are you
Yeah.
working before?
No, no. Yes, I'm working actually, but the reason is obviously to kind of build our own startup. So that's why.
True, excellent. See,
Yes, sir.
data
Yeah.
science is not only implement on company, that is used for our family also. You know, Jade, how do I build my model? I have two kids. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I track their behavior every day. Morning, she woke up. One day she woke up at 4 a.m. One day she woke up at 6 a.m. That is attribute. I create my data set from last 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Based on I build a model, I can predict myself next week what would be the behavior of my kid.
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Yep.
So
Yep.
what I save my routine work. I pre-plan myself.
Yep.
This is what predictions, right?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
else do you
Yeah.
want? So data
Yeah.
science not only implement to your job. For myself, you can
Yeah.
understand if you build your product, what could be the visibility forecasting of your product in upcoming days? Which domain you had experienced before?
Well, I'm coming from a non-IT background actually, so
No problem. I have
that
one
is.
friend. I
Yeah.
have my one friend. His name is Sayed. He's staying in US. He was a
Mm-hmm.
completely mechanical. 3
Mm-hmm.
months, he amazing. He got a job offer in data science. He's
Yep.
from US. So it's possible, buddy. It's all the thing about We stopping us, not anyone else. To technical things is possible, Jade. I hope you understand. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I got it. Yeah, great.
Thank you so much. Bye. Yes, Arshad, unmute you. Yes, Ahmad and
Hi,
Mohammed.
good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Arshad with you.
Arshad, please tell me.
Sir, regarding updating my LinkedIn headline at this
Mhm.
moment, of course, what do you think the best phrase to add to my LinkedIn headline, sir?
Do not change anything in LinkedIn now. Leave it. I will tell you,
Okay,
then you will do it. Okay.
okay,
Do
sir.
not do. If you want, wait for 2 months. Let's complete machine learning. I will give you resume. Follow that. Make resume. Send it to back to me. I will review and upload in LinkedIn. Sorry, Naukri. After
Okay,
complete this course, then you go ahead and job in LinkedIn. Change in LinkedIn. Clear?
fine, sir.
First you gain confidence. Then you go ahead and do that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it?
So
Thanks.
regarding the project, you have anything on healthcare, right? So you said,
I will show you, buddy. Healthcare, no need to worry.
okay, that's my domain, no?
Yeah.
Oh,
Healthcare is your domain.
yeah, yes, sir.
I will help you. No need to worry.
Sure, sir.
Whether a
Thank you,
person
sir.
is diabetic or not diabetic. Yeah. Is a health diabetic is health in informations, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, actually, yeah. I worked in 5 years in healthcare IT.
Yeah. So I will tell you. So we build a
Sure.
classifications model for this.
We
Clear,
will
Arshad?
do, sir. We will do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, Ahmed and Mohammed and Drakshayani, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Am I
Hello,
audible?
sir.
One by one. Sorry, guys. Yes, who's first? Please go ahead.
Can I say something?
Ahmed, please go ahead.
Actually, sir, my concern is regarding job change. I already talked to the support team.
Mhm.
They said you have to approve first. Actually, I'm working in a company right now, and my shift
Okay.
timing is from 9 a.m. to what is called.
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. So you're not able to attend on 10 a.m., right?
No, that was my old timing. Now my shift timing is changed, so I have to attend from 10 a.m. to the,
So
I
what is
mean
your question?
my question is regarding my timing, my time change.
Timing, your wish. I mean, at this moment, this is a new batch. 10 a.m. will
Yeah,
start. Okay.
yeah. I want
Future,
to
when I
join.
will state, I don't know. But it's better you talk to the support team once, Ahmad.
I already talked. They said you have to approve first. Can you please approve me for in this batch because I already paid
Which batch you were into before?
before the last one from 28 Feb.
28th Feb. Which timing?
Yeah, 7 a.m. Your batch.
7 a.m.
Yeah,
Okay. So let me speak with my team and then get back to you. Okay.
please, sir, please. Thank you.
7 a.m. 28th Feb. I mean, it's almost 1 month. Okay. I will speak with. Yeah. No problem. You can get in, buddy. No problem. But after that, please don't switch. This is the
No,
last
no,
time
no.
I'll give an options. Okay.
Yeah,
See, I never
I'm
say
sorry.
no to learning, but please next time onwards, this is the last time I'll give options. And after 2 months, don't tell sir my shift timing is
No,
changed.
no, no,
Yeah.
no.
Okay. That's okay. You can get it. No problem. I'll talk to the team. You can talk with them. Ahmad, 7
Yeah,
a.m. batch. Okay. So you're changing because of your timing issue, right?
yes, yes, sir.
And I don't see that any one day on 7 a.m. But guys, I do understand. So no problem. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, Mohammed, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I'm a BBA background student, sir, and I
Okay.
completed my graduation in 2019.
Mhm.
So, actually, sir, I joined this course so that I can find a good job. So, can you suggest something which I can do at my free time at home?
Free time at home. I mean, are you studying or now?
No, I'm not studying, sir. Actually, I had joined my family business, and now
So do
for,
one thing. Free time means from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll give a task, I'll give a book. Start working from there.
okay,
There's no more free time from this week onwards.
okay,
Till today, there is a free time. Enjoy whatever you want today and tomorrow. But day after tomorrow, dedicate yourself for 3 months and show the world who you are. And say, sir, thank you. Prakash, thank you so much. You helped me. That's what I want from you. Make sense or
sure.
not?
And also, sir, like we are getting a free Python code from Naresh IT as well, sir. So do you think I should be enrolling in that course
Yes,
completely?
please go ahead and do that, please.
Okay.
Yeah, why don't you don't eat if you chicken and mutton? Definitely we have to eat, right?
Yes.
So please go ahead and do that, Mohammed. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Cool. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dakshayani. How are you?
Yeah, good, sir.
Tell me, please. How may I help you?
Actually, I had one doubt. My graduation will be completed in 2020.
Mhm.
1 year I will be experienced in non-IT BPS. So
Mhm.
is there any helpful to?
Yeah, we put 1 year into data science.
Okay, actually,
Are
I
you
will be
working or
working
not
in
working now?
BFSI.
Are you
Working, sir.
working? Are you working now? Very good.
Yeah.
I will tell you that 1 year will shift into data science. How will do it? No need to worry. I'm here. Okay.
Actually, that project also BFSI banking
You do
side.
not that project is not required. I'll
Yeah.
give you one
Okay.
project. You follow that, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll mention ML engineer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Cool.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Ahmed, I got it. Yeah. Richpal, I access you. Yes, please. You can speak with me, Richpal. I'm sorry. Yes, please go ahead, buddy. Yeah. You can leave any. You don't have any questions. You can leave. Richpal, I unmute you.
Yeah, hi. Hi, Prakash. Yeah, I just wanted to ask just only that from, I think you are already having a batch 7 a.m. And it is possible that you will just start any 7 a.m. batch in next
7 a.m.
April
is
or
there, but we completed a lot of things. 7 a.m. I talk about like real-time projects. I already
yes,
talk about, but you're not
after
able to
6
understand.
p.m. After 6 p.m. you have any batch there?
At this moment, no, Richpal. But can you wait for
So,
some time and maybe you can talk? Did you see all the recordings? Mine?
no, actually I did not have any
Today I
link
send
for that.
all the recording files. Did you
Yes.
see this? Did you
No.
store?
This is my first day.
Okay. One moment. First, you do one thing. You listen the recording, then get
Okay.
back to me tomorrow. You feel, sir, thank you. Very nice demo we had.
Yes.
Very nice demo.
But for
Advanced.
tomorrow I have to enroll, na?
Yeah, please talk to the support team because the demo is going on from last 7 days.
Yes.
So no one will give this much of demo to anyone.
But actually I am able to join between 10 to 6.
Okay. So first you listen the demo. Maybe next batch will start by April. And my team will support, or you can see the Naresh IT link and you can talk to my Ask Support team when Prakash Senapati sir batch will start. Then they will get back to you. But in the meantime, you listen to the demo. Yeah.
Yeah. Or you can just suggest me any books before that, so I can just
not required.
whenever just I join your batch next time, and it will just give me a good brief knowledge about that, or it will be
W3 school in Python. You try this one.
Sure. I know about it.
Yeah, please focus this one.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Oh, I'm sorry. Who's this? I don't know what's your name. Jitesh, go ahead and Slaum. I don't know what's your name.
Jitesh Sahu.
Sahu, please, Jitesh, go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Drakshayani, I'll share today. My team will share with you today. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, actually, I have completed my BTech on 2014.
Are you able to hear me when I speak? Because when you speak, I cannot hear. How do you think you will understand?
Okay, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I completed my BTech in mechanical from 2014.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have 2-year experience as a GIS engineer.
Do you have experience certificates, all those things?
Yeah, in GIS, Geographical Information System.
Okay. After 2 years, what have you done? Not working?
Yeah, I have been working as technical officer in mechanical field for 2 years almost. Currently, I am working as a technical officer.
So what is your total year of experience?
So it's almost 3.10.
3.10?
Yeah, 3 years, 10 months.
So we'll apply this as data analyst. Do you know in mechanical L&T company also data analyst opening? Do you check? You Google?
Yeah.
Can you check now?
So actually I understand that, but I have no experience on data science.
See, I will tell you, HR never ask. If HR will ask, are you expert in data? You said yes. Okay. But
Yeah.
when you go back to the technical round, they will ask you explain your project. There you explained your data analyst project, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Complete resume, I will change it. I don't show what you worked before. For verifications, verification will done by technical team. Sorry, HR team, not technical team.
Yeah.
Verification HR will ask, does Jitesh is working? You said yes. They will said yes. Does he is working as a technical officer? Yes. There is a lot of strategies required because you guys are non-technical background, so might be you were not aware of it, but things is possible in software. No need to worry. Okay,
Okay.
Jitesh.
Okay.
But
Sir,
I'll tell you one thing: if you don't practice,
yeah.
then don't say, "Sir, I'm not practicing. I don't listen to it." If you practice, then join.
Okay, sir. Sir, one question is there. Say, is there anything related to share market, data science job?
Related to?
Means in share market is anything helpful?
Of course, stock market price predictions. This is called time series analysis. We have that is a big topic. You know the candle lights and sticks.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is time series analysis graph, buddy. That is regression algorithms.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, no need to worry.
Okay. So is there anything like if you have to learn for Python, I should have any knowledge in Python?
You today only I start the class. You enjoyed or not?
Yeah, yes, sir.
It's very interesting or not?
Yes, sir.
Then you listen. From day one, I'll teach you. You just follow me, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Good. Thanks. Bye.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Yes, please go ahead, guys. Yes, Jaya, and who else?
Hello, sir.
Hello, who's this?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Sir, may I know what is the duration of this full stack data science program,
The
sir?
full stack data science program is 4 months.
4 months. Okay, sir. Sir, will you make us to do the project in this course, sir?
Of course, yes. Today your first class?
Yes, sir. This is my first class, demo class.
Did you see the demo? This is not a demo. The class is live. I will share this 4 days recording. Every day it's 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. Can you complete today and come back tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Okay,
I'll
sir.
send this one. Can you copy and paste it? If you can't copy, then click on the link. Or maybe you can ask to support team to get 5 days demo. Yes, Jaya, and join tomorrow. And then we will speak. Okay. Yes. To you answer your questions. Don't worry. I will give you the projects and resume as well. Okay, Jaya.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, will you make us to join in any internships program also, sir?
Internship programs, I will help you. I will give you a lot of projects. Do not required for internships. Go for a job directly. Understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Who's this Slam? May I know, please? Yeah, unmute you, buddy.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please. What's your name?
My name is Vijay.
Vijay,
I'm
please.
from Maharashtra.
Okay.
I passed in 2017, sir, and still till now I am jobless. Prepare for government exams.
Of course. Oh, okay, okay. So, what brings you to data science now?
Sir, I want to join data scientist course.
3 years you spend government job, right? Will you spend 6 months in data science? I will give resume and go for interview.
Yes, sir.
Private jobs are more salary than government, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then listen to the first class.
Yes, sir. It was my first class.
Can you please go and understand the demo, what I post you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will
do it and get back to you tomorrow,
Yes.
okay?
Okay, sir.
Any questions, ask to support him and collect the 5 days demo, okay? Yes, yes, please, Vijay, go ahead. You ask something.
Sir, I want to know what is the minimum salary when I become a data scientist?
See, do not expect 10 lakhs first month, right? How much salary you get if you get a first government job?
Near about 30,000 or 20,000.
No, who give you 30,000? Nobody, don't wrong. Government, you will get 12 to 15, but in DS, you get minimum 40,000. Understand?
Yes, sir.
No, forget about this one. Okay,
Yes,
first
sir.
we need to find the hotel to have lunch or dinner. First you find the hotel, learn the
Yes.
concepts, then think about job. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If you don't study, if you don't know how to play cricket, play international cricket, what happened? You get injured, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right,
So
sir.
first learn and then join. Understand? Yes,
Okay,
Ajad,
sir.
please. Yes, Pratusha, go ahead, guys. Last two. That's it for today. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ajad, go ahead.
Sir, if we do job for 2 or 3 years, and can we do freelancing also?
Of course, I will show you how much opening right now for the freelancing for data science. I will give you one introductions of kaggle.com. Go there in competitions. There is a project
Yes.
called 1 crore 20 lakhs. There is a project.
So, for example, if we end the course after completing the course, we directly jump into the freelancing.
Of course, freelancing, why? You can start from now only. Whatever you know, you can do freelancing from now only, right?
As a data analyst.
You can do it, but if first you learn, right? You need to understand. Then you go for a
No,
freelancing.
actually, someone has told me that you need at least 1 year of experience of company, and then you can do the data.
That,
That freelancing.
that depend on client. Let's say if I have a job, okay. If you do my job, if I have a problem, if you solve, I'll pay you, right? Correct
Yes,
or not?
yes,
That's what
yes,
freelancing.
yes,
Why
yes,
you required 1 year? If you do you have experience? You said yes. How many years? 3 years. There's no. Have you never checked 3 year or 1 year? Does it make sense or not?
yes, yes. So we
Why
can do
you?
freelancing.
Of
Okay,
course, man. Right?
okay, okay. Sir, one more thing. Some companies they hire us as a Python and Python developer, and after few years or most probably 6 to 7 months,
They
they
will change to
shift
some other
us.
things.
They shift us to
Yeah,
data analyst.
I
So is
know.
this possible?
Of course. You learning.
Actually,
Let me tell you, you are learning data analyst.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Machine
yes.
learning engineer. They will ask interview machine learning. Once you join, the project is gone. They will push you in Java developer. You no need to scary that I don't understand. They also know that you don't understand. It is the right time to learn and show them.
Okay.
People are think vice versa. People are think I don't know Java, I quit. They will quit. That is ridiculous, buddy. If they push you in other domain, that means your job is safe. They
Yes,
giving
yes.
time to learn. Why not you learn?
Okay.
People are thinking, okay, that is a stupid company. They put me in some other projects. If they don't have projects, what they do? They will give money from their own pocket. Not possible, right, Ajad?
Yes, yes, yes.
So definitely, wherever the project is there, they push you up. Learn it, na. And when someone scold you, you tell them, "Sir, I never worked before." They'll ask, "Did you work in colleges or not?" "Yes, sir. Theoretically knowledge I learned. I never know practical. So please teach me." They will teach you, buddy. This is
Okay.
people that do mistakes. I don't want you to do these mistakes. Agree?
Yes,
Forget
yes.
about freelancing. First go and do job. Then we talk about freelancing. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the
Okay.
process. Thank you.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, one more thing.
Please.
One company was there, Converge AI. So they are hiring for as a Python developer, but it is a company of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
See, I'll tell
So
you one thing. Why you need to worry? Forget about the company. You understand your skills.
yes,
That's it. Whatever they're hiring, why you care about it? All are
yes,
all are related to with each other. Okay.
yes,
So rice is related with the dal is related with the curry is related with the dessert, right?
yes,
Whatever that company, you doesn't need to worry. You worry about what you're learning. Forget about others. Think about yourself. Then time
yes,
will tell. Understand? Your
yes,
future, what happened, what, so just leave that. Okay, Ajad? Thank you.
yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes, guys. Uh, yes, Pratyusha and Avilash, go ahead. I'm done for today. Yes, please go ahead, guys.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
One by one, please. Yes.
Sir, is this possible to join this course after 1 month offline mode? Until that,
I'm right
I'm
now.
gonna.
Right now, I'm running offline, buddy. 10 a.m. is offline.
Yes,
You
sir.
can come and join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, any question, Pratyusha? Go ahead. Pratyush. I think you have something to speak.
Sir, actually, I want to join the same batch after 1 month in the offline mode.
Okay, right now you want to online and then after 1 month offline.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
talk
sir.
to the support team. No, I don't know, buddy, literally. I told you, right? Thanks.
Okay.
Bye. Yes, Abhilasha, please.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
So I have done my master's in environmental engineering. So I just wanted to know, sir, whether you'll provide any real-time internship on that particular project on that particular subject. Will that be possible?
See,
Like,
I'll
I'm
tell
really
you what.
interested.
I'll tell you one thing. End of the course, we need a job. What is meant by internship? Internship company are not paying you. Why not you go for a job directly? Forget about internship topic here. Right, Abhilasha?
Okay. Yes.
So what I'm saying, I'll give a project real time that upload in your project and upload in the resume. And then you get an interview calls. Just keep attending. Okay, and then definitely it's possible. There is no chance of you're student right now or you
No,
doing
sir.
some job.
No, I have just quit my job right now. I have
When?
3 years of
When?
experience. In
Again, it's mute. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So
Can
in
you hear me?
August, I quit my job in August.
How many years experience you have?
3 years.
What was your designations?
Environmental engineer. I was working for an industry, but the growth was very slow over there.
Understand.
When I
That's okay.
tried to switch to this MNCs and all, they asked for environmental analyst and everything. Then I got to know that okay, so this is what they have been doing, like
That's
data
what I'm
science and
saying.
data management.
What exactly I'm saying? I will remove all the projects, whatever you done. Okay. Only company name and payslip is there. That's it. Rest of things I'll give you. Follow that. Simple. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Okay, sir.
You guys are come from non-technical. I do see that you have a good communications, good presence of mind. It's just a matter of learn the technology and implement the technology and speak in front of interviews, and then you get it. Very simple. Spend 6 months, change yourself to tech industry. Make sense what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Perfect or not perfect?
Perfect.
Thanks. Are you understand today
Thanks.
topic? Python, all
Yes,
those
sir.
things?
Yes,
Cool.
sir. I've been attending this for previous week also. I've attended the lectures. So
Very good.
it's been good. Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
Yes, Shiva, please go ahead. Shiva,
Sir?
go ahead. Yes, please.
Sir, what is the difference in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science?
Do you listen the recording or not?
Recording I listen, sir. From first time.
Today first day, right?
9 from 21st.
Okay. So what is the difference between AI ML? I will tell you. You book the machine train tickets, right? In train tickets, you get the probability, right?
Yes.
Correct or not? In probability, it's showing your seat will be confirmed. 80% probability your ticket will confirm. That application part is AI. Understand?
Okay.
In the back end, we used machine learning algorithms. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
That is called AI and ML. NLP, unstructured data, XML data, speech. For speech recognitions, we used NLP algorithms. So data science is the combination of AI. So you need to know all these things, right? Then only you can develop, isn't it or not?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you need to do. Okay, buddy, understand?
Understand.
Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Catch up for tomorrow sessions.